Right, so today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem with the YouTube app on your phone where YouTube videos keep freezing or buffering and it's kind of getting annoying. So the main reason for that could be that it's trying to load higher quality images and audio. So you can fix that by going to the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on settings icon in the top right corner, and then you can now go to quality under video and audio preferences. So select quality. And the reason you might have this problem is because you're probably forcing your phone to show high picture quality over mobile network and over Wi-Fi network, and also maybe play higher audio quality. Now, obviously, you don't want to play low quality all the time, so the best setting for you should be auto. Now, when you set auto, it means your phone will adjust the quality of the picture depending on your current conditions. And it's that you can do that for mobile network, you can do that for Wi-Fi, and you can do that for audio quality as well. So make sure all three options are set to auto so that your phone decides. So when your internet is good and fast, it plays the highest quality possible. And when your internet is slow, it plays lower quality to avoid buffering and freezing all the time. Thanks for watching and good luck.